Hello everyone, welcome to our next learning session, polylines. As we see here, next to lines command we have polylines. The difference between lines and polylines, as the name says, lines will be treated as individual segments while polylines will be treated as continuous joint section. In this drawing, if you see in this drawing, if we draw these four lines using polyline, all of these will be treated as a single element. I will show you that. See here, I will take line from here. I will draw 60, enter, 35, enter, 60, enter, 35, enter, and give escape. If you see, while selecting, each of these lines are selecting as separate entities. The same thing if I draw using polyline, I will click here, I will go down by 60, enter, I will go side by 35, enter, I will go up by 60, enter, and I will go by side 35, enter, and give escape. If you see, all of these lines are selecting at once. This is the difference between line and polyline. Okay. And one more thing, you can convert a line into polyline and a polyline into line. How? See here. If you select this, for your information, just click on this explode. This will be treated as single element now. Okay. And the same thing if you select these lines and go to join, J for join, enter. If you see, all of these will be treated as single entities now. This is the difference for polyline. Any line you can draw as a polyline, any line you can draw as a single line. It depends on next level while taking offset and all. If you want to take offset of all four lines together, then it will be more helpful. For example, offset of here to here, if you select this together, you are taking offset of this. But if you see in this case, all four lines you are taking offset separately, later you need to remove these boundaries. So this is the difference of using polylines and lines. Okay. In the next video, we will learn about drawing few drawings for these polylines and lines. So if you want any assignment for this, I will attach few drawings in the description link of this video. From there you can take that file for practice. Here now to show you, see here 105, 105, enter, next 60, enter, 105, enter, 60, enter. So this completed this main block. In that, if you see, we have 1, 2, 3, 3 subdivisions. How to do that again? I will take line, I will click here. Before that, I will click FROM from, enter. I will click here from here at a distance of 35, enter. Got it? L, enter. Click here. Instead of going here 35, what I did, L, enter, from, 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 enter. Click here. Okay. And I will come in this direction. If you see, there is a green line showing. I will type 35, enter. Now you can see I am drawing a straight line over there. This line length is 60. So 60, enter. Like this. So you don't have to type always. separate line for this. Again from here I will, are you seeing this green tracking line? From there I can go, I will type 35, give enter, it will go in that direction 35 mm, then type 60, give enter. So this completes the main drawing of this. So this is how you can draw using tracking line. If tracking line is not visible, you can come here and you can turn on this here. Object snap. When you turn on this post snap tracking, also you have here post snap tracking reference line. If you turn on all this, then you can see that tracking line. Or if it is not showing here, you can click here. Here also you will see here polar tracking, object tracking, post snap tracking. All this you can see from here. This is for polylines tutorial. We will see you next in the circles tutorial. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe the channel. If you want any in-depth knowledge, please comment through the comment section. I will get to know how many of you are interested in learning more. Thank you.